What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok on an iPhone, so your screen is easier on the eyes, especially at night. There are two ways to do this, but let's start with the easiest one directly inside the TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Once it loads, tap on the Me or Profile tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look at the top of the screen and tap the three dots or three-line menu icon. This opens TikTok settings. Inside the settings menu, find and tap on dark mode. You'll see the option to switch from light to dark. As soon as you turn it on, TikTok's interface will instantly change to a dark theme. If you prefer, TikTok can also follow your iPhone's system appearance. That means if your phone is set to dark mode, TikTok will automatically switch too. You can enable this by turning on dark mode in your iPhone's system settings and letting TikTok match it. And that's it. That's how you turn on dark mode on TikTok using an iPhone. It's quick, easy, and makes scrolling way more comfortable. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.